Hi, today we're going to talk about powers of 10. Now some of you will remember this from 4th and 5th grade, and it really is pretty simple because it's all about place value. When you have a positive power of 10, such as 10 to the power of 7, you write the 1 down, and then whatever number exponent is there, in this case 7, that's how many zeros you would put after the 1. So 10 to the power of 7 is 10 million. 10 to the power of 11 would just be a 1 with 11 zeros. Now the most important thing to remember is it's a 1 and then the zeros, not a 10. You start out writing just the 1. Now, when you have 10 to the power of -4, this can be a little tricky to understand at first because we see that negative exponent and we expect that to be a negative number. But negative exponents really have nothing to do with negative numbers. Negative exponents mean it is a division problem. So when you have 10 to the power of -4, that's like saying you have 1 divided by 10 to the power of 4, or 1 divided by 10,000. In decimal terms, this means you put the 1 in the 10,000ths place. The short way to think of this is, whatever number comes after the negative sign, that's how many places after the point the 1 would go. 10 to the power of -1 would be 0.1, 10 to the power of -2 would be 0.01. Once again, very, very important to remember that negative exponents are not negative, they're numbers that are less than 1 because you're dividing 1 by a number. Now the other skill that you've got to be able to do is figuring out what the exponential notation is from the whole number. So we know we're dealing with powers of 10 in each case. In this case, since it is 10,000 and we see that there are 4 zeros, we know that that is 10 to the power of 4. It's the exact reverse of what we did when we had the exponent and turned it into a standard form number. The 1 is 2 places after the point. That means it is 10 to the -2. If you are watching this video, write down the word Mohawk. Thank you.